Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. Today we have a special guest. We have Lisa from Pearl City, Ben Franklin, and she is going to show us how to make some simple but very beautiful earrings. So let's get started.
Okay, so today we are going to make a really basic, simple bead earrings.
Oh, okay. Oh, those are really pretty.
Yeah, I make a different style of the simple bead earrings. But today, we're gonna focus on this cute.
No, that's really
beads,
good because
yeah.
a lot of people can use different beads and things like that, you know?
It's really, really simple. So it's really good for beginners. And all we need is the head pins.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna insert our beads. This is small one. I'm not sure what kind of beads because I got this from the bead soup. So just insert, and then we're gonna grab our chain nose plier.
Okay.
So we're gonna place the chain nose plier in the head pins. You're gonna make sure that there is a little bit space between the beads and the chain.
Okay.
So when you bend the wire, you don't break the beads. Hold the wire and then just bend it. So we're just gonna bend it like 90 degrees.
Yes.
90 degrees. And then the next one will be the round nose plier because we're gonna make a loop. Make sure that the wire is not sticking out. Make sure that it's inside. And
Okay.
for now, I'm gonna make it in the middle, the second one, the second line that I created. And then, so you just place it on top and just hold the beads and then start wrapping. And I'm not gonna wrap it all the way yet. I'm gonna adjust my plier, go back. So, because we need this tip over here, we need to connect this one to the bend.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'm gonna adjust. So now we're gonna grab our chain nose plier again. And it's either you can open here or you can open here. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So we're just gonna go inside and open. And then just connect them together. And just connect it. Then we're just gonna do like swivel or wiggle it to make sure that they are
Closed?
closed.
Okay.
Like when you think about this is the loop and then you open, then you're gonna close until they connect each other. Yeah. So yeah, this is our earrings.
That's pretty.
Yeah. It's very simple and easy.
So you're at Pearl City, and so if people have questions, like they saw you but they forgot something, they can come and ask you, right?
Absolutely. They can always ask me.
Good job. This is really nice. So thank you for joining us today, and especially thank you to Lisa for showing such a fun craft and such great tips. And don't forget, there's always something new on the Joy of Crafting. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So until the next time, happy crafting! Or delivery trucks that back up with a beep, beep, beep.
Okay.
Ready? We gotta
time.
stop talking. Sorry.
All right. Thank you.